Can you tell Papa what is that? Z, B, big Z, little z. What begins with Z? What's it called? Zizzers, zazzers, zaz. Can you say, good morning, Papa? Could you say, good morning, Papa? Zizzers, zazzers, zaz on the iPad. Where did Papa go? He went to work? How did he get there?
Airplane.
Yeah, you want to say bye-bye, Papa.
Bye, Papa.
Where is Papa?
I walk an airplane.
Yeah, what's the town called? Do you remember where he went? In the kitchen?
Banana tower.
Did you eat banana towers for breakfast? Did he go to Washington, D.C.?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to tell him anything else? Do you want to tell him what you did yesterday?
Go to the restaurant.
You went where?
Go to the restaurant.
You went to a restaurant yesterday? What did you and Carrie see in the sky?
Harold.
You saw Harold?
Yeah.
You looked up and saw it?
Saw him.
What did he sound like?
What he sound like.
That's what he sounded like?
That way accents like.
Yeah.
This Harold.
There's Harold. Do you want to say bye-bye to Papa?
Goodbye to Papa.
Bye-bye to Papa. You want to blow him a kiss?